Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, Top 5 Best Bluetooth Speakers of 2024. In this video, we'll explore cutting-edge audio technology that's setting new standards. Stay tuned until the end for an exclusive peek at a speaker that's not just heard, but felt. Let's elevate your listening experience. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The JBL Flip 6, your new travel buddy that brings the beats. Eco-friendly packaging. JBL goes green with the Flip 6's packaging. It's all recyclable, from the paper-based box to the 90% recycled hang tag, printed with eco-friendly soy ink, waterproof, dustproof. The Flip 6 isn't afraid of a little adventure. With its IP67 rating, this speaker can handle water and dust, making it perfect for any outdoor escapade. 13 hours of playtime. Keep the party going with the Flip 6's impressive 12-hour playtime. More music, less charging. That's the promise. Bold design. This speaker doesn't just sound good, it looks good. The Flip 6's bold design is as vibrant as its audio, fitting any style, any place. Party Boost feature. Double the fun with Party Boost. Pair 2 JBL speakers for stereo sound or link more to elevate your party to the next level. Conclusion. The JBL Flip 6 ticks all the boxes for a portable speaker. Sustainable, sturdy, and stylish, it's ready to soundtrack your life. Catch you in the next review. Number 4. The Sonos Roam, the sleek, portable speaker that's making waves in the audio world. Wi-Fi Bluetooth connectivity. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options, the Sonos Roam offers seamless streaming and control through various platforms, including the Sonos app and voice assistants. TruePlay tuning. The Roam automatically adjusts its sound to deliver crystal clear, balanced audio wherever you are, thanks to TruePlay tuning. Battery life on the go? The Roam's got you covered with up to 10 hours of playtime and convenient USB-C and Qi wireless charging. Multi-room system. Expand your audio horizons by connecting the Roam to other Sonos speakers, creating an immersive multi-room sound system. Conclusion. The Sonos Roam is more than just a speaker, it's a portable powerhouse for all your audio adventures. Tune in next time for more tech insights. Number 3. The Soundcore Motion 300, the portable speaker that's small in size but big in sound. Wireless high-res sound. The Motion 300 brings you wireless high-res audio that's unmatched in compact speakers. It's an outdoor audio game-changer. SmartTune technology ensures your music sounds great, no matter where you place the speaker. It's smart sound for any setting. Powerful bass. This little powerhouse packs a 30W punch of stereo sound in deep bass. Portable design, powerful performance, ultra-long playback. With 13 hours of playback, the party never stops. The Motion 300 keeps the beats coming all day and night, outdoor ready, rain or shine. The IPX7 waterproof Motion 300 is your rugged music companion for every adventure. Conclusion. The Soundcore Motion 300 is a must-have for music lovers on the move. It's the perfect blend of durability, design, and superior sound quality. Until next time, keep the music alive. Number 2. The Ultimate Ears Megaboom 3. Let's see if it's as booming as they say. Introduction. Meet the Megaboom 3, Lagoon Blue Edition, your music's new best friend. It promises 360-degree sound and a 20-hour battery life. But does it deliver? Let's find out. Ultimate Sound. This speaker is a powerhouse of sound. It's freestanding, portable, and brings crystal clear audio to any setting. Music truly comes alive with Megaboom 3. Powered for adventure with its rechargeable battery, this speaker is ready for any escapade. Forget the wires, add a power-up dock, and you're set for 20 hours of non-stop tunes. Extreme fabric. The Megaboom 3 isn't just about sound, it's wrapped in a two-tone fabric that's as tough as it is stylish, ready for any extreme. Waterproof, indestructible. This speaker is waterproof and floats. With an IP67 rating, it's fearless against water and dust. Your music will never miss a beat. Magic button. Party Up. A single button controls your music, and with the Party Up feature, link up over 150 speakers for the ultimate sound experience. Conclusion. The Megaboom 3 is a bold statement in sound and durability. It's a speaker that's ready for life's adventures and ensures your music is always part of the journey. Number 1. The JBL Boombox 3. Is it the life of the party? Let's find out. Introduction. Welcome to the world of JBL Boombox 3, where massive sound meets deep bass. Promising a 24-hour playtime, this speaker is a marathon runner in the audio world. Massive sound. JBL Original Pro Sound turns up the beat with a three-way speaker system that's all about monstrous bass and crystal clear highs. It's the sound that moves you. All day play from dawn till dusk, the Boombox 3 keeps the party going. With 24 hours of battery life, your soundtrack never has to end. Tough waterproof. Whether it's a splash or a spill, the IP67 rating means your music plays on. The Boombox 3 is your all-weather, all-terrain music companion. Bold design sporting a strong silhouette with twin side caps and a metal handle, the Boombox 3 is as much about style as it is about sound. Party Boost. With Party Boost, link up multiple speakers for an immersive audio experience. It's the ultimate sound network at your fingertips. Conclusion. The JBL Boombox 3 isn't just a speaker, it's a statement. With its robust design and epic sound, it's ready to be the heart of your next adventure. Rock on! Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.